Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Vidhi, a watercolor artist from India. Today, we will learn how to paint this beautiful monochrome forest in watercolors. I have mentioned the detailed list of materials required in the description box below. Please check it out. So, we're going to first start by taping down our paper on all the four sides using cello tape or masking tape. I'll dispense the color in my palette. Here I am using the shade Indigo. You can use any shade of your choice. Now we're going to be working wet on wet for the background. So for that I am pre-wetting my entire sheet using clean water. For this I am using a flat brush. I am using the number 12 flat brush from Artificial's Art Brushes. I have mentioned the link in the description box below. You can check out their website if you want to order these brushes for yourself. Now using the number 12 round brush, I am taking some indigo and I have diluted it with water. Lay down very loose strokes of indigo. The paint should be very diluted because we want a very light wash of indigo in the background. Now I am taking a damp brush. It is the same flat brush that I had used for pre-wetting my paper, and I'm just going over the background once with a damp brush. We're going to take a pool of water in our mixing palette and add very little pigment in that pool of water to make very diluted indigo. I am painting this using a number 1 round brush because I want to paint the trees in the background. So basically the idea is to keep building the value gradually. So since we are painting the farthest trees first, we're going to be taking the lightest value of indigo. Now we're going to be painting the second layer of trees. So for that I am taking a bigger round brush because now we want the trees to be a little nearer to the observer's eyes. It is very important to take care that the initial layer has completely dried before you move on to painting the next layer. To build the value, I added some more pigment in the same pool of water to get a little darker value of indigo now. I also offer online watercolor courses wherein I teach all the basics of watercolors and we paint beautiful landscapes and floral compositions together. To check it out, you can visit my Instagram. The link is mentioned in the description box below. As we approach painting the trees that are nearer to the observer, we will increase the value of the color. And now I am painting the final layer of my trees using the darkest value of indigo. Finally, I am adding some shrubs in the foreground to give some depth to the painting. And now once the painting is fully dried, we will carefully remove the tape from all the four sides. If you recreate this painting, don't forget to tag me on Instagram so that I can see what you create. Thank you for watching.